Hi, for today's teardown, this crusty old telephone I removed from my collection. Alcatel Ola, I think Ola was the name of a phone service back in the time. We have noted code made in Europe, type HD1. So as you can see, we have very crusty battery contacts here, with green, blue-green stuff from the battery, and broken LCD inside. So let's remove the screws. We have a number of small Phillips screws at the back. Not the best quality, you can see. They are not designed to be reinstalled, I guess. You must replace them because the head is so delicate. You strip the head the first time you remove them. Quite a pain. So I wonder what we have here behind. It will be interesting to see. Two more screws to remove, and there is a thread here. I believe it is for the hanger device. You can hanger clip you can add on it. Okay, and this must be the antenna output for car use. So it separates in two parts like so. On this front part we have a tested sticker, interconnect here, and this will probably just lift out. Yes. So here we have the broken LCD with a hot bar soldered flex. We have a clip-on board here, petit clip-on board. The keyboard contacts behind this sticker with backlight LEDs, microphone, and a gold strip all around at least. But you can see this is a mass production because they use here a clip-on board, microphone, speaker here in the cover. Pretty seriously clipped in place, this speaker. Yes, it has some glue on the other side, double-sided tape. And here we have a rubber keyboard, which is in good condition, so I may keep this in case I need it to restore another one of these phones. Okay, so and this is just the front part. Okay, now backside. You can see this round shape here was containing 3300 microfarads 10 volt capacitor. So I don't know if it is for memory backup or for power supply purpose of the thing. We have a piece of metallized plastic here doing some shielding, with a number of Phillips screws, really. Quite amazing, they use so many screws to keep this in place, probably for the radio frequency shielding. Really a number of them, and we have, oddly enough, one Torx screw here. This one is Torx, so luckily I have my Torx bits around and it must fit this screw. Okay. So what do we have in here? If I lift this cover, yes, it is metallized plastic. And here are the goodies. You can see several sections in this PCB. I can lift it. Here we can see the damage in the case. Seems we have some copper coating here in this cover. We have a little tube for containing the antenna, extensible antenna. We have here a metal insert for attaching the antenna to the case. It should come off. Not easy, but it should come off. Yes. Maybe with some pliers it would be easier. Like so. Well, here it is. A piece of metal to screw in the antenna. Okay, so this has copper shielding, it seems, copper spray. And here we have extensive attack from the battery. On this side here. So we have the capacitor. We wear the connector for the antenna here. RF filter cavities or mixer, something like this. Yes. Transmit, antenna, receive. So it must be the mixer between transmitting and receiving parts. We have here probably here the main IC, main processor. I guess we must have a RAM and ROM somewhere. Here a Philips chip P90 CL301BFH, and this must be a proprietary chip made by Alcatel. One more Alcatel chip here. I have some flickering problem with my lights. Here probably RF filter section. One other Alcatel chip here. This one is quite special. Excuse me, I try to fix this light. There is a bad contact in here somewhere. I will need to check this. Okay. And here we have a piece of can. Is soldered on, but I believe it is not a problem for a pair of pliers. And we have one little probably hybrid module for the radio frequency processing stuff. Little cover over it, and yes, one other PCB in fact in this thing with surface mount parts. This must be the ringer speaker. SIM socket here. The multi-pin connector here for power supply and audio output and so on. Proprietary. The board-to-board connector here to accommodate this board like so. The notification LED here. Some quartz here, or oscillator. Here too probably. With golden top, this one. And here we have this thing. Can I remove the top cover? Yes. Filter cavities, it seems. Little coils. And these parts with copper coating over them and the hole in the middle. RF oddities. Maybe I can also open this. It did just come off. So it looks like it is just a connector in fact. Quite a weird little one. I will try to open it for you. But it is crimped in place, so I don't think it will be easy to do. Okay, so at least I can maybe retrieve this capacitor. So it'll be interesting to see if it is still good. And I guess the other parts will go to the recycling. So, thanks for watching, bye bye.